What's going on, you guys? Paul here with Paul's Performance, and on today's video I'm going to be showing you my personal vehicles. I know you guys have already seen two of my personal vehicles and you've seen a couple glimpses of this one, but I figured I'd show you everything that I own at this time because I do buy a lot of vehicles. I wanted to show you everything that you guys will be seeing on the channel because these vehicles probably won't be going anywhere other than maybe the Tesla. Let's get started with the first vehicle, which is my 2020 Tesla Model 3 Standard Range Plus. This is the newest edition. I've only had it about a month. Still has, you know, my temporary tags on it. The main reason I got this car is to have something four-door because, as you'll see soon, I don't own a four-door right now, so I needed a little bit more room. I also wanted to see how the EV market is. In my current job, we do a lot with EVs on big trucks. I want to be able to work on these, so that was another reason for me getting this. So you will see a lot of this on the channel because I'm looking to learn a lot more about it, and the best way to learn about it is to have one. So you guys will be seeing me do different tasks on it. I doubt I'll be ripping the battery apart anytime soon. It only has 20,000, so hopefully we won't have to mess with that yet. But I'll be learning, and anything I learn I'll pass along to you guys. So let's get to the next vehicle. We got something you guys have already seen a decent amount of. This is my 1988 Toyota pickup with a Volkswagen TDI swapped under the hood. This right here is half daily because I also drive the Tesla. I bought it all original, had 22 RE in it, and it just wasn't enough power for me, so I wanted to do something different. I already had a Volkswagen Jetta and I didn't really like the car, so you guys already know I threw the TDI in this and made the best of both worlds. I have four-wheel drive. I love the shell of this truck, and now I have good fuel mileage and good power, and it sounds really, really good. It was only a regular cab, so that was another reason that we ended up getting the Tesla, because it doesn't have much room for anything. Can't even really get groceries in it. This is the other one. You guys already seen and heard quite a bit about this, and you'll see a lot more because I'm sure it will have its issues. It's been good so far. I'm sure I will do a lot more on this. I already need to go over a bunch of systems because I know we had a bunch of questions about various systems in the swap, so we will be getting those. Don't worry, we'll be getting to them. I've been pretty busy here at the shop, but we will be getting some more videos on this soon. So let's get over to the final gem, one that you guys haven't seen a lot of. So last but not least, we have my baby girl here. This is my 2004 Ford F-250. Yes, it is a two-wheel drive, but you'll see why here in just a second. I've had this for a long time. This is the oldest vehicle I own now, and I will probably never get rid of. I bought this as a long bed, regular cab, F-250, complete work truck, manual interior, bone stock, and I've always wanted a single cab Shorty build. So I shortened the frame myself right here, redid the interior, put all King Ranch in it, transferred it over to power interior, ripped the motor out, and built the absolute crap out of it. Not to race measures, because I did want to still keep it on the road. If you can't drive it to the grocery store, it ain't worth it to me. No offense to you drag racing guys. I support y'all, but for me, if I'm gonna have a vehicle, it has to be able to go on the road. So this one right here, you're probably looking at about the 700 horsepower range for the build, but I do have to build the transmission. So right now I have it tuned as low as I can go because the transmission is very hurt. And I will be showing you guys this truck a lot more, but the reason you haven't seen it on the channel very much is because during the winter time, I keep it in my shop. I don't really drive it that much, so I tend not to really mess with it. So you guys will be seeing a lot more of this in the summertime. We will have plenty of work to do on this, especially when the transmission dies, because she's hurt. All right, guys, so that concludes my vehicles. At this time, I only own those three. Well, technically I own five, but the other two are not very nice. They're not even running. My Jetta doesn't have an engine in it. Wonder where that went. I have a 4Runner, a first-gen 4Runner, and it is very hurt. You do not want to see it. So, hope you guys enjoyed this video. I just wanted to show y'all kind of my lineup here at Paul's Performance. Some of the vehicles you will see a lot of, and you'll see a lot of other people's vehicles too, because I work on Samuel. He has his Jetta and his truck that you'll see on the channel as well, and plenty of other people's vehicles, because I mean, I have a shop, so I work on a lot of vehicles there, but you'll see these a lot. So I just kind of wanted to give y'all a run around. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and please like and subscribe, and see you guys next time.